So we're gonna get my Mr. Heater 50,000 BTU ready to hang up on the ceiling, and we're gonna do the electrical and the connections for the gas. It'll be a lot easier to do that on the ground than when it's hanging up there. That way all we have to do is hook up the flexible gas line to my black pipe that goes off the wall. We'll do the electrical first, and then this, including the drip leg, the union, and everything else. We'll start by taking the cover off, 2 screws. So on the inside you get a black, white, and a ground. We're going to take the side knockout out. And we put one of these in the side. That way you can clamp down your wire so it'll be secure and not moving around. We'll feed our plug through the hole and tighten down the screw. My cord didn't come color coded for black and white. It just has a green for the ground. So I did plug it in and I tested and I found out this is the black wire, that is the white wire. So on your cord should be black, white, and green, and it just color code matches up to whatever's on the heater. Now push the wires back in and put the cover back on. So when you get to the gas line, you have a 1/2 inch stub coming out of the heater. You need a union that connects onto that so that you can easily disconnect it. That just screws off, screws back in, compression fitting. Then you need a drip leg, like this. It needs to go vertical down, and then your gas inlet will come out of the top. I messed up, I need to run to the store. I didn't get the short piece so that I can screw these two together because they're both female connections. I need one that's got a 1/2 inch male on both sides. So I gotta run to the store, and then we will get these hooked up. So here's a piece that I had to go get. It's a simple male-to-male 1/2 inch right here. So we will quick and assemble the drip leg before we put it on the heater. We use pipe thread compound on all the joints, and you can be pretty liberal with this. There's your drip leg put together. Now we'll put the other end of the union on the heater itself. So take the red cap off of the heater and put some thread compound on that pipe. And then thread the union on. This will go on here like this. And the drip leg always needs to go down at a 90-degree angle from the heater. That'll get tightened down when I get it installed on the ceiling. Here's the fitting that come out of the flexible line that will be coming out of here into my black pipe that goes through the wall. That will get threaded onto here, once again with pipe thread compound again. And then this will simply screw onto there. For the mounting brackets, you simply take out these 3 screws, and that attaches just like that. Then on the front of the heater, it's the same thing, 3 screws. I will have to say, make sure that the flange comes out rather than in, or else you're not going to be able to get any screws or lags up through here into the ceiling or 2x4s or whatever you mount it to. Now it's ready to mount to the ceiling. So I have 2 2x4s spaced out 20 inches on center. I threw 4-inch screws up through the 2x4s into the rafters, and then I threw a few more 2.5-inch screws into the OSB sheeting. So it should be pretty strong. I can almost hang from it and it doesn't move at all. The heater's only 60 pounds. With 2 of them, it should be fine. So I'm gonna hold the heater up there, and my son's gonna mark it, and we'll pre-drill 3 spots on each 2x4 so that we can lag in the heater to the 2x4s. Yeah, in this little bit. Okay. So you're gonna have to help me get it up there. Ready?
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, just stick that in your pocket.
Okay. Got it?
Yep. Now I gotta spin it.
How do we spin it?
All right, let go. Yep.
I'll move.
Am I on?
Want it?
Am I on?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep, ready? Go away.
I'll come to the other side. Oh, crap.
What?
The other side. Oh, crap.
What?
You're gonna have to do a different one. Or hand it to me. Just that electrical box is in mine. So help me hold it with one hand. Gotta go forward. Oh, yes.
That was terrible. I was going the wrong way with it.
Yep. So I have 2 legs holding it in right now. I'm gonna put a third on each side, right in the middle. I thought I grabbed 6, so I'm gonna grab 4. So there's 2 there, and then there's 2 on the back. One there on each side. That'll hold it. So that's what it looks like when it's mounted from the ground. Power cord reaches. So in the next video, I'm going to run the gas. Going to do a flex line coming out of the top of there into a black pipe going outside. So subscribe for that. And if you guys found any value out of this and it helped you out any, give it a like, and I'll catch you in the next video for the gas and the power vent.